Hey yo, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fifine M9 wireless lav mic. All right guys, in this video we're going to unbox these. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out the build quality. We're going to try it out and we're going to see how it sounds. Before we get started, just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Fifine did send these out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, they had no part in the making of this video. So guys, this is the box they come in. We've got some Fifine branding up top. We've got M9 wireless lav mic system. We've got active noise cancellation, up to 100 feet of range, and battery for 5 to 6 hours of use. So let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. All right, first up, we've got a user guide. So we've got a very nice case that they come in. We've got some Fifine branding right there, front and center. And it's got some cloth material over, I'm assuming it's a plastic. And we've got a little strap here to connect the lanyard to if you need to. We've got the zipper. Sounds good. Nothing on the bottom. And we've got some wind muffs, 2 of them. Very cool. We've got your cables. Let's check these out real quick. So we've got a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack. And we've got a dual 3.5 millimeter jack with the little L shape on one end. And actually we got 2 of those, because we have 2 mics that come with this system. And then we've got USB-A to USB-C charging cable, charge the case with. And here is the mic system. It comes in this hard plastic case. We've got some LED lights in the front to show battery life. Got some Fifine branding up top. You know, we've got your USB-C port on the back for charging. There we go. We've got the LED lights. We've got 4. So it looks like these are fully charged. And we've got transmitter and 2 mics. All right, so here is one of the mics, guys. Got a little smiley face here. Looks like the bottom of the Amazon logo. On this side, we've got a power button. And on this side, we've got a volume control and noise reduction. At the bottom here, we've got a USB-C port so that you can connect this to your phone. This transmitter is super lightweight, guys. Same with the mics. So yeah, let's try this real quick. So I'll use the Samsung S23 FE as my recorder. One thing to note, guys, this only has a clip. I kind of wish it had a magnet like some of the DJI. There's a magnet here, so you can just, instead of clipping it, you can attach it to the magnet and it'll stick like right here on your shirt. All right, it lit up blue, so it is powered up. All right, so we got it set up super easy. Just connect the USB-C to your phone and the 3.5 millimeter jack to the transmitter. Ooh. Let's focus in on that. So it is set up. Let me clip it to my shirt, guys. But yeah, let's check this out real quick. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU, doing a mic check on the Fifine M9 wireless lav mic system. Microphone check 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. Let me know what you guys think. Do we sound good? Are we clear? This is how it sounds in a nice, quiet environment. All right, guys. So that is how the M9 sounds when you're in a nice quiet environment. Now we're going to turn on noise cancellation and we're going to see how the M9 handles background noise. Like if you were in a restaurant where you got people talking around you, we're going to see how well the noise cancellation works in that type of environment. All right, let's turn on some background noise. So that's our simulated background noise, guys. Once again, let me turn on the mic. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU, doing a quick mic check on the Fifine M9 wireless lav mic system. We've got some background noise going on, so we're testing out how well the noise cancellation works on the mic. Once again, here we are, microphone check 1 2. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Is it blocking out the noise? Is it acceptable? Unacceptable? Let me know down below, guys. All right, so that was the test for noise cancellation with background noise. Again, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is it any good? Is it bad? Is it acceptable? Not acceptable? Let me know in the comments, guys. All right, guys, as far as price goes, these are coming in at right around 70 bucks on Amazon, which I think is a great price. Or the competition is coming in well over 100 bucks for a setup like this. You get, with 2 mics, your transmitter, charging case. A lot of them are over 100 bucks. You got like the DJI, which is well above that. So for right around 70 bucks, I think these are well worth your money. And if you are into content creation, they say 50% of your video is audio. You can get away with subpar video, but if your audio is not on point, no one's gonna wanna watch. So having an external mic system like these, it's gonna up your production value.